Let's learn about more functions in Calc. Now, next function is average function. Do you know what is the use of average function? Average function returns the average of the arguments, and the arguments can be a range of cells or numbers along with the cell reference. The syntax will be is equal to average, open bracket, arguments, then closing bracket. Now next function is count function. Count function counts the number of numeric entries, logical values and date entries in a given range of cells. Keep in mind, count function will not consider text value and blank spaces. Now let's apply these two functions practically. Now enter the data as given in the figure. Type equal to sign, then type average, then add opening parenthesis, then select the range of cells, then add closing parenthesis, then press enter key. Now you can copy the formula just by dragging the fill handle. Now while calculating the average, you can add the decimal point or remove the decimal point by clicking on add decimal place button or delete decimal place button available on formatting toolbar. Now let's apply max function to find maximum value and min function to find minimum value out of given range. So select the cell, type equal to, then type max, then add opening parenthesis, then select the range of cells and add closing parenthesis and press enter key. In this way you will find the maximum value out of given range and you can copy the formula to other cells. Now to find the minimum value, select the cell, type equal to sign, type min, then add opening parenthesis, select the range of cells as I have selected C2 to C6, then add closing parenthesis and press enter key. Now copy the formula to find the minimum value of other cells. Now here you can also find the minimum average marks by applying min function is equal to min, opening parenthesis, then select the range as I have selected G2 to G6, then closing parenthesis and finally press enter key. Here you will able to find the minimum average marks out of given range. Now let's apply count function practically. For this, select the cell, type equal to sign, type count, add opening parenthesis. Now select the range of cells as I have selected A2 to A6. Now add closing parenthesis and press enter. Here count function counted the number of numeric entries. So total entries are 5. Now let's apply count function to calculate text entries equal to count B2 to B8, then closing bracket, then here you will find counted value 0 because count function not considered text values. So keep in mind, count function will ignore the text value and blank spaces.